Swedish Empress there. I tell you, say, boy, tell them already, me, I'll tell them again. Yeah, tell them already, me, I'll tell them again. Angelisa Marva, she did a great, you know, voice over of the great legendary Jamaican Barrington Levy, Throne, you know, murderer. And I and I man now end on the same note right here because it's an unfortunate situation that we're looking at again. As a young and bright mother, and when I say young, I mean a vibrant mother, again, once again has been taken out in Jamaica. Her name is Tameka Aneika Samuel. And it's heartbreaking, families and friends, because this woman was taken out in front of her children. It seems like there's no calm amongst us anymore. It seems like the devil has run rampant. Yarganty, and the bloodletting continues in Jamaica as this mother, beautiful, you know, Tameka Aneika Samuels, was enjoying a playful evening outside a relative home. And it's in Balmagie Avenue, St. Andrew. I hope I'm saying that correctly. And Samuels was enjoying a playful evening outside a relative home on Balmagie Avenue, St. Andrew. Jaja, seated on a plastic chair, the mother of 4 was surrounded by a small group of delighted children. A heartbreaking twist, gunfire erupt, and with moments she fatally shot in front of her youths. Janoa, her daughter, was shot and injured in the attack. Reports from the Hunts Bay police are that about 7:55 p.m., Samuels, just 43, and her daughter was pounced upon by a lone gunman who opened fire, hitting Tameka several times. Her upper body. Her daughter was shot in the right leg. Both women were assisted to the hospital, where Tameka succumbed to her death, to her wounds, and her daughters treated. The culprit escaped the area. Balmagie Avenue appeared tense yesterday when the news team visited the usual vibrant Kingston 11 community. A woman said that she was Samuel's friend. She spoke to her a few minutes before her murder. I was aside with her, but my baby started crying. And I said, let me go and check on him. And I saw come, me go in. The time I reached in at the house, me hear beer shot a fire, the resident said. Initially thinking it was a drive-by shooting, she later learned that the assailant entered through the backyard, specifically targeted Samuels. Jaja. She described Samuels as a jovial individual who was well liked by those who knew her. Aneika was a very nice person. Everybody loved her. She sell at Coronation Market, and she a nice big woman. Down the road them live, but them always come here and sit. The woman said, this community was stunned by the violence as they had enjoyed peace for a period of time. The St. Andrew South Police of the Balmagie Avenue Falls has been experienced a reduction in murder and shooting since the start of the year. statistic published in Jamaican Constable Force indicate that 58 murders were recorded in the division at this time, with a 15% lower than the corresponding year. 58. 60 people get quang in a one division in a less than a year. Una na gwan good, St. Andrew. Una na gwan good. It seem like una father a devil. Because like picnic, I saw the parents there. So the father saw the son. A young mother. Only 40 sitting here all. That's young people. 43 are young people them there. Wet up at a gathering. I don't know if it was a setup, but it sound like our friend chose the right time to get up. She said the baby didn't want to sleep. So she rise and bring in the baby off the street. And as soon as she forward in, people start weep. All I want to know is why my people continue to do it. Why we continue to do it. A coronation market she work. So more than likely, our baby father get hurt. Because she look good to blouse and skirt. And she probably never want give me thing. So guess what? He would rather she get it dirt. In this time, families and friends, you have to know who you are all with. You have to know who you are laying with. You have to know your friends from your frenemy. And like Angelisa Marva has spoken in the beginning, I'll give it to you again. She said, tell them already. And she are going to tell you again. Yeah. Families and friends, thank you for tuning in to the Rastaman channel. Yeah. This is a rendition, a voiceover by a girl where I and I man don't personally know. But you have my number, so if you don't know her, you are going to take Angelisa Marva up on TikTok, me see her. And it's unfortunate. The European them a beat and teach with which on them. Yeah. And more life and more joy, me I wish my families and friends them. Yeah. Let me make it repeat one time, Pauno. Yeah, thanks for tuning into the Rastaman channel again, you know? Yeah. And you can go over our TikTok and just pray what she are going. Angelisa Marva, she out of Switzerland. I think out of Sweden she come from. Yeah. A long time I want the people them still. See it there? Long time. Yeah, give me a thumbs up, you know. Yeah, leave your comment on it for my family and friends. You know if you prefer an extended part, you know what I say? And more time I want to speak about a different thing, but you know.
Tell them already we have to tell them again. Tell them already we have to tell them again. Tell them already we have to tell them again. Them a murderer.
Yeah, this is Everton Blend. Yeah, this is Everton Blend. I'm mentioning out the D-Fruit Stevie or that. Up, lift up your head and go D-Fruit.
That's when I represent for Deep Roots TV. This one is a bombshell. Check it out.
Deep Root TV when it's gun time for the action part.
Cool on Jenna.
Oh, you know about it?
Yeah, Ron Marley, Deep Roots TV. Blessed love, see it? Rastafari.
TV. Respect, make sure the